How to download Hall.com application. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In today's video, I will teach you how you can download the Hall.com application. So if this is your question, ensure you watch this video to the end so that you'll not miss any important information. Now the first step is to log in into your to open up your device. It could be an iPhone or an Android, whichever one. Once it's opened, locate your Play Store. For Android to be Play Store, but for iPhone users is to be App Store. So once you're on the page, just move to the search bar at the top part of the screen and then click on it. Then once you clicked on it, in the search bar, just type out all.com and then click on the search icon. Then once that is done, you'll be brought to the all.com page. On this page, you'll see all.com hotel booking, alright? That is the one you have to select. Now you can see that for me, it is displaying open, right? That is because I have the application installed already. So for you, it will be install. That is in the position where you see open, you'll see install instead. So just click on it. Once you click on install, the number of megabytes that you would need to download the app would be displayed, and then once it is done downloading, it will be installed automatically, and then the install button here will change to open, so you can just click on it to open it, and then once you open it, you'll be brought automatically to the page where you'll be asked to log in or become a member. Select become a member, create an account, and then just like that, you have the all.com application on your device. So this is how you can download the all.com application. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.